Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to change chat wallpaper on Snapchat. Let's go. First of all, open up the Snapchat app. Log into your account. Then tap on the chat icon at the bottom. Now you'll be able to see all of your conversations on Snapchat. Just tap on the conversation that you want to change the wallpaper for. Then tap on their name at the top left. Now you'll see an option called Wallpaper. Just tap on it. When you are on this page, you will see many wallpapers, but most of them are locked, which means that you can't use it. They can only be used if you have a Snapchat Plus subscription. Otherwise, you cannot set them as your chat wallpaper. But do not worry, you can set few of these as chat wallpaper. Like this one. Tap on it. Now it depends on you whether you want to blur it in background or set it as it is. I am choosing to blur it, so that I can read messages and see chat more clearly. But if you want access to more wallpapers, you have to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.